Welcome. In this video I will show you how to set up dual SIM and mobile data on DOOGEE Tab G6 Max. To set up the dual SIM, you're gonna need to have two physical SIM cards. Unfortunately, I only have one with me, but I'm gonna show you how to place it into both SIM card slots available on this tablet. So first of all, we're gonna need to rotate it and check the left edge of the tablet. Here you'll find the SIM card tray, which can be opened with a SIM card opening tool. So just insert your pin-like tool into this hole you see right here. Push it inside to make your SIM card tray jump right out. And then remove it from your tablet. Now rotate it so you can see the metallic light on the top. Now the two SIM card slots we have here is right here. Okay, so the one of them is right here, so you can either position your SIM card like this, or you can also position it here in the second slot. So you can place two SIM cards simultaneously. This will also block your access to use the external SD card. So you're gonna have to choose between the external SD and dual SIM card. And then once you have inserted your SIM cards, you're gonna need to reinsert your SIM card tray into the SIM card slot like this. Push it inside, and your device should detect your SIM card right away. To check for it, we have to go to settings, then network and internet, then SIMs, and here we should be able to see our SIM cards. And to enable mobile data usage on your tablet, you have to switch on this toggle, and then you'll be able to access the internet using your SIM card's mobile data, if you have the active data plan, of course. And that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you for watching it. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.